Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying basics so you don't chase ghosts. First, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, and make sure airplane mode is disabled. This resets the radio. Then reboot your phone. A full restart clears temporary faults, and if you can, power cycle the router too, because device router state often causes failures. If the network shows but won't connect, forget the SSID and rejoin using the correct password. This removes bad credentials and forces a fresh handshake with the access point. Once done with the basics, inspect deeper settings that commonly break Wi-Fi. Open advanced Wi-Fi options and confirm you're using DHCP rather than a broken static IP. DHCP assigns correct network parameters automatically. If you've used proxies, VPN, or custom MTU values, reset network settings to remove lingering misconfigs. Make sure your phone's OS is up to date because vendor fixes and Wi-Fi driver updates resolve compatibility. To finish, isolate and confirm the source so you can fix confidently. Try connecting another device to the same Wi-Fi. If it works, the phone is at fault. Conversely, create a mobile hotspot from a different phone to see if your device can join any network. Boot into safe mode to check if third-party apps interfere. If Wi-Fi works there, uninstall recent network-heavy apps. If nothing else helps, backup data and perform a factory reset, but only as the last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.